If your Reddit post has been removed, there could be a few different reasons behind it. And here's a guide to help you figure out why it happened and how to fix it. First of all, you need to check for subreddit rules violations. So, Reddit posts are often removed by moderators of specific subreddits if they violate the community rules. So, you have to read the rules of subreddit where you have posted. And rules can include restrictions on certain types of content, formatting, self promotion, or off topic posts. And you can wait for automated removals as well. Reddit has automated bots like Auto Moderator that can remove posts for breaking certain rules even if you aren't aware of them. So check your notifications or post, and often a comment will be left explaining why your post was removed. And if you don't see a reason mentioned, you can also ask the moderators directly for the clarification. Also check for the violations of the Reddit content policy. If your post violates Reddit's content policy, example hate speech, harassment, spam, misinformation, it would be removed by either subreddit moderators or Reddit admins. So review to ensure your post complies with their rules, and if your post violates Reddit's policy, your best way to avoid removals is to follow the guidelines strictly in the future. And posts with low quality content or clickbait titles might be removed. This includes posts that don't offer value, such as low effort posts or ones that don't contribute to the discussion. And make sure that your post is high quality, relevant, and adheres to the community standards. And if you believe your post was removed in error, or if you don't understand why it was removed, you may be able to appeal by reaching out to the Reddit support team. You can do this by going to Reddit Help Center and submitting a support request. In some cases, a post might be removed due to shadow banning. This can also happen if you have broke these subreddit or Reddit rules in the past, causing your account to be flagged. Check if you're shadow banned, which you can check by visiting your post in an incognito window or asking a friend if they can see it. And if you're shadow banned, you can appeal to Reddit's admin for the review. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.